Diversity to trying to hack this situation here. This vehicle was broken into, and they were trying to steal it, but because of the cutoff switch, it did not go anywhere. But there was a lot of steering column damage, and it was sent to the shop, and the ignition core was restored, but they did not replace the bottom steering column cover. The old one was still there. It was on the floor, and this vehicle was in the shop for like 3 weeks, and the bottom portion of the steering column had disappeared. And it was brought to their attention, and no one seemed to have saw it. So I went to the junkyard and located I just took a steering column off a random vehicle that I thought might be close to my steering column, and I was able to trim it up with my little rotary saw to make it somewhat fit, to keep from just driving around with it looking like that, damaged at the bottom or missing. So I was able to trim it down and get some type of cover for it until we can find one that fits, or this may just leave it like this. But I was able to take some zip ties and drill some holes and get this bottom covered up. So this is like a DIY project to keep it from looking crazy. Diversity too. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.